Hey guys, welcome to another episode of TLG Vlogs, and today you're gonna get a custom home tour of our brand new listing on Llewellyn Circle in Englewood. Follow us. All right, I'm gonna give you some of the specs on this incredible estate. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath property situated on 3,800 square feet of living space on one of the top locations in the entire town. One of the special elements of this house really is the kitchen. It spans across this entire first floor living area with this oversized waterfall island. One of the best appliance packages available in this price tier. The imported French stove from the Miele double conventional oven to all this gorgeous custom cabinetry, and of course, this gold metallic hood vent really ties everything in together. What makes this living room so dramatic is all the natural light you're getting in, from the skylight to the bend around windows, this black custom iron rod door, both from the dining room and here, both leading outside to your deck and your perfectly landscaped backyard. As we continue through the tour, really what gives you this indoor-outdoor living concept are those black custom doors you were referring to before with see-through glass on both sides. But as you come through this family room, it really gives that quaint, warm feeling with different paint colors, even from this accent wall, making you just absolutely want to maybe relax. All right, what I love about this primary suite is this gorgeous matte green paint they have on the ceiling and on the floors with all the trim work on the ceiling design. But follow me into this amazing primary bathroom. This primary bathroom is completely remodeled from top to bottom with a custom vanity, huge standing shower, and this gorgeous high gloss wallpaper. All right, we're making our way up to the upper level of this home. First and foremost, you have this gorgeous skylight that brings in all this natural light, and of course these custom handrails bringing it all together. But upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 1 fully renovated bathroom. Follow me. This junior suite can almost act as a second primary bedroom with double walk-in closets, hardwood floors throughout, and a reading nook. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another episode of TLG Vlogs. If you like this property, if you want more information, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, message us, email us, and as always, thank you for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.